What if you could create a business that acts like a digital oil well? A business model that requires zero experience and products and can generate passive income, a jaw-dropping 95% profit margin, and the potential to sell for a whopping 40 times your monthly profits when you're ready for a new adventure. No employees and no need to be a tech wizard. Welcome to the world of niche blog businesses. But what exactly is a niche blog business? Picture a blog with content focused on a specific topic that you're passionate about. Let's see some real-life examples. Chris Sherman, the gaming guru who started UGO.com and later sold it for a mind-blowing $100 million. Timothy Sykes, who started his stock trading tips blog back in college and now rakes in over $20 million a year. Matt Giovannisi makes over $500,000 from his niche blog for people that are looking for help maintaining their swimming pool. And Alina, the supermom behind the Realistic Mama blog, shares advice for new parents. Now she enjoys over $20,000 a month from her blog while raising her little ones. Ready to harness the power of AI and build your own niche site empire? Just follow these simple steps. First, choose your niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about and make sure there's an audience that shares your enthusiasm. It can be things like parenting advice for new dads or fishing tips for trout fishing lovers. The opportunities are endless. Then we'll set up your website. You can use WordPress to set up your blog and you'll be up and running in no time. Next, we get to create content that will attract readers to your blog. And for that, we have the ChatGPT Magic Genie Lamp. Unleash this AI behemoth to handle content creation, SEO, and social media promotion. It's like having a dream team working for you. Now it's time to show me the money. You can monetize your site with ads, affiliate offers, or your own courses and guides. And last but not least, we scale or sell. When you're ready for new horizons, cash in by selling your site for an eye-popping 40 times its monthly profits or more. That means that if your blog earns $10,000 per month, you could potentially sell it for $400,000. Sure, there are some challenges, but fear not. With the right strategy, you can overcome them. For instance, most of your traffic might come from Google, so you'll need to master SEO and create content that ranks. But hey, ChatGPT's got your back there too. And if you're worried about Google changing its algorithm, simply build an email list to maintain control over your traffic. Now it's time for action. In the comments, share 3 topics you'd love to create a niche blog about, and we'll guide you to make it happen. Let's start building your digital empire today. Before you go, I have a free gift for you. It's the ultimate cheat code to help you start and grow your online business with AI. It's called 51 Secret AI Prompts for Online Entrepreneurs, and it was expertly crafted by a top entrepreneur and AI engineer. Just copy and paste each prompt into ChatGPT and change a couple of words to fit your situation. These prompts will hold your hand step by step from zero, meaning no business idea, to growing and profiting from the business of your dreams, without all the headaches. These are not the basic prompts you find online. They were carefully engineered and tested in real businesses. Some are almost 200 words long, assuring you receive the exact answer you need to create and grow your business. Imagine having the perfect business idea, an irresistible product, multiple methods of attracting hungry buyers, and all the content you need to be produced for you, including viral social media posts, video scripts, blog posts, ads, and so much more, all at your fingertips. And the best part, you get these 51 game-changing prompts for free. Click the link in the description below and tell me where to send your free 51 Secret AI Prompts for Online Entrepreneurs.